If you're a man and you do any of these 5 things, your life is literally being shortened. Nobody warns men that their life doesn't end from one big mistake. It ends slowly from habits they do every single day without thinking. And the habit you think is ruining you isn't even the worst one. Masturbation is only number 5, and in this video, I will be counting down. 5. Masturbation. Yeah, I said it. But before you start arguing with your screen like it owes you money, relax. This isn't a moral lecture. This is about excess, addiction, and what it quietly steals from you. Occasional masturbation isn't the villain. Compulsive masturbation tied to porn is. When it turns into your stress relief, boredom cure, sleep aid, and emotional crutch, it starts draining things you don't notice at first. Your drive drops. Your focus gets weaker. Your reward system gets hijacked. You start needing more stimulation for less satisfaction. Real-life effort begins to feel boring. Discipline feels impossible. Motivation becomes something you used to have. The real damage isn't physical, it's psychological. You train your brain to chase quick dopamine instead of building anything meaningful. Over time, that rewires how you deal with stress, women, ambition, and discomfort. And here's the savage part. Most men don't even realize they're tired because of this habit. They just think life is exhausting. Masturbation isn't killing you. Escaping life instead of facing it is. That's why it's only number 5. 4. Chronic sleep deprivation. This one is destroying men quietly and efficiently. You stay up late scrolling. One more video, one more reel, one more episode. Then you wake up early, drink caffeine like it's oxygen, and call yourself productive. You're not productive. You're surviving. Lack of sleep wrecks testosterone, increases stress hormones, weakens immunity, slows reaction time, messes with mood, and accelerates aging. That's not motivational talk. That's biology being brutally honest. You become irritable over small things. Your decision-making gets worse. Your emotional control disappears. Then people say, "You've changed." No, you're just tired. And here's the comic tragedy. Men will sacrifice sleep to chase money, but then lose the health needed to enjoy it. You don't win extra years by grinding all night. You lose them. Sleep isn't laziness, it's maintenance. Skip it long enough, and your body sends the bill with interest. 3. Living in constant stress and calling it ambition. This one is a silent killer with a motivational poster. Men are praised for being stressed, overworked, always on, always tense, always carrying the weight of everything like a badge of honor. But chronic stress doesn't make you strong. It slowly dismantles you. Your nervous system never shuts off. Your heart works overtime. Your digestion suffers. Your immune system weakens. You're always in fight or flight mode over things that aren't lions or emergencies. Deadlines, messages, expectations, comparisons. And the worst part, you normalize it. You stop resting without guilt. You stop enjoying silence. You stop feeling present. Stress ages you faster than bad genes ever could. It hardens your face, tightens your chest, and shortens your patience with the people you actually care about. Being calm in chaos is strength. Living in chaos non-stop is self-destruction with a fancy name. 2. Emotional suppression. This one is destroying men from the inside. You were taught early to man up, be strong, and don't complain. So you learned to swallow everything. Anger, fear, sadness, disappointment, loneliness. You didn't process emotions, you buried them. And buried emotions don't disappear. They leak out as high blood pressure, addictions, rage, numbness, and sudden breakdowns that come out of nowhere. Men who never talk about what they feel carry it in their bodies. Tight shoulders, clenched jaws, shallow breathing, constant tension. You don't need to cry on camera or write poetry at midnight. You just need honest outlets, real conversations. Physical release through movement. Time to decompress without distraction. Strength isn't silence. Strength is awareness. The men who live longest aren't the toughest on the outside. They're the ones who don't turn their emotions into internal warfare. 1. Neglecting your body until it forces you to stop. This is the habit ending men's lives the fastest. You treat your body like a rental car. No maintenance, no care. Just drive it hard and hope nothing breaks. Bad food, no movement, long sitting hours, zero sunlight, no checkups. Then one day, something hurts, something fails, something scares you. Your body doesn't betray you suddenly, it warns you quietly for years. Fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, low energy, short breath. Aches you ignore. Men don't die early because they didn't know. They die because they postponed caring. Exercise isn't about aesthetics. It's about circulation, hormones, brain health, and longevity. Good food isn't about trends. It's fuel. Movement isn't optional. It's survival. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Walk daily. Lift something heavy. Eat like you want to be alive at 70, not just full at 30. Your body is not separate from your success. It's the foundation of it. The uncomfortable truth is that most men aren't unlucky. They're unintentional. They drift into habits, normalize exhaustion, suppress emotions, ignore warning signs, and then act shocked when life feels shorter than it should. None of these habits kill you overnight. That's why they're dangerous. They shave years slowly, quietly, politely. And the good news? Every single one of them is reversible. Better sleep, less numbing, more movement, honest stress management, real emotional outlets. You don't need to become extreme. You need to become aware. If your future self could talk to you right now, he wouldn't ask for more money, more hustle, or more sacrifices. He'd ask for care, consistency, and courage to stop living on autopilot. You don't extend your life by adding years. You extend it by changing how you live today. One day, without warning, you'll do something for the last time, and you won't realize it. The last time you feel strong, without pain. The last time you wake up with energy instead of stiffness. The last time your body forgives what your habits keep taking from it. And the scary part is, nothing dramatic announces that moment. No alarms, no countdown, just silence. Most men don't lose their lives suddenly. They slowly trade them away in small daily decisions that feel harmless. One late night, one skipped walk, one ignored emotion, one more distraction to avoid thinking. Years later, the bill arrives, and it arrives all at once. What keeps people awake at night isn't death, it's regret. It's realizing you had the time, the awareness, and the chance to choose differently, but you waited for a someday that never showed up. Your body is keeping score. Your mind remembers everything you ignore, and the future version of you is already living with the consequences of what you're doing today. The question isn't how long you'll live, it's whether the years you have will feel like life or just time passing. The comment of the day goes to this user, and it reads, "We're lucky to have content creators like the Savage Narrator, practical and easy to implement. Thank you." Practical and actionable content is the goal, and hearing that it helps is everything.